Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new. But I had a ton of you guys tag me in this tiny face meme thing, and I decided to do it for you guys. So I had a lot of fun doing this. If you want to see how I became tiny, stick with me. On me, said now go and take a shot on me. Okay, you guys. Today's the day. The day has come that I'm going to do the little face. The little face. The mini face. Today is the day. Alright, so I'm just gonna start with this eyeliner. Okay, so I feel like it stopped about there. So they kind of came out. Have you ever drawn on the top of your nose? It feels so funny. Like I want to sneeze. Okay, so okay. So what I think I'm gonna do now is just kind of like blend it, because I don't want it to look harsh. I just want it to look, excuse me. I just want it to look how I would normally look as a real nose, right? So I think what I'm gonna do is just, I'm gonna just take a beauty blender that just kind of has like leftover whatever on it, and just kind of tap it out. Hold on. Blend that a little bit more. I don't want to smudge it too much because I want to keep the shape, so I'm just gonna beauty blend it a little bit. What a strange sensation. Okay, I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave the nose alone for a little bit because I gotta go figure out the lips. I lied, I'm not leaving the nose alone yet. Then she did like a little Cupid's bow, which comes down from the nostrils. Oh. Really unevenly. Really. This is the hardest thing I've ever done. What the hell? Alright, so she used black to outline the lips and stuff, but like I just don't know about that. So I don't really know what she did at this point. I think like the bottom lip was like around here. that lady had a really straight nose and my nose is like not straight. It's not fair. This is the strangest thing I've ever done. I really hope this lipstick doesn't leave a color because I'm not really sure about this one. It might. That is not. Why is it so hard? Oh God. Let me just see. Okay, so I feel like I should put black or like a dark brown below the nose to kind of define it. Yeah. So I can just... Or somebody was here to tell me like, no, don't do that. Just leave it. Okay. So I think what I need to do is like contour the edge of my nose more and then contour my cheeks more and then put something over. And then I think I'll have it. I've never drawn a nose before. I'm not actually much of an artist. I can only paint faces, okay, you guys? Alright. So I'm gonna try to contour the sides of my nose more because I felt like that was like this area on right here on her. So I'm gonna like make that sharper around there. And then I think I gotta like come up higher with my contour. Sucks, I really wanted to hang out with people today. A little bit heavier on the contour than I normally do. But I had to make that shit dramatic. Okay. I think it's time, you guys, that I get something to cover up this with. We'll see. We'll see if it looks right. This is the moment of truth. What do you think? Can you see it? Is it there? Did I do it? I can't tell. Should I have my hair down? Like, no. No, I should not. Does that help? Oh my God, I see it. I see her. You gotta look for her. But she's there. She's there. She's definitely there. Do you guys see her? If you don't know me, it'd be easy to see her. But if you do know me, it's kind of hard. Like, you gotta look for her, but then you see her and you're like, oh my God, she's there. It's her. What should I name her? What's her name? Oh my God. Hey! Hey girl! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel. Oh my God, this is so funny. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more fun things like this. If there's ever any challenge tutorial you want me to do, just comment and let me know. I would love to do it for you guys. This is definitely entertaining. Thanks for the idea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye! the whole time I was being recorded. I didn't think I was. I think what I'm going to do now is kind of oops. I just need to get these boogers out of my nose before I put lipstick on it. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, I should just take these out. I'm not gonna be sober for that one. No, not for this. Hey! Alright, love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.